What's happening, guys? Jay Riggs with Riggs Fabrication, Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're talking about this 1932 Brookville Phaeton. Originally, Ford had designed a four-door roadster, and it was called a Phaeton. And then Chip Foose got involved with Brookville Roadster, and they designed the Phaeton. So it's a two-door version of the car, been redesigned, suicide doors. What we're working with is we're building a removable hardtop for it. So it's going to have a retractable sunroof, kind of that canvas looking top like a Carson top, or maybe a faux convertible top, but the whole thing is going to be removable. So when it's roadster weather, it's going to be completely top down, and then when it's wintertime driving, it'll be nice and buttoned up. So for the Carsons, or the removable hardtop, we're working with this rendering. So we came in and kind of just looked at the artist rendering. Artists get the luxury of designing things for strictly aesthetic purposes, and then our job was to go in and figure out how to build the structure to make it removable, and then make all the panels, and then fit this top in. So this is what we've been working off of as far as the design. So we modified the factory hood sides, and we put this, we used the Pullmax to do this recess for what would be like, I think it's a Nash that he got a side panel cover on. So it's kind of this teardrop shaped, louvered looking panel. So we built all of this custom and used the Pullmax to put the 32 bead back in the bottom. So stay tuned to this car. We're going to have a lot more content coming out over the next several months as it makes progress. Give us a like and a follow on our Instagram and our YouTube channel, and keep in touch with what we're working on.